The Composite Certificate program at the Water Center consists of a total of 8 weeks hybrid learning. It all starts with a few weeks of online learning. Completing that, we move on to our 5-week hands-on lab training. So some of the projects students work on during their hands-on lab training include our safety review. So our safety review has to do with how we deal with these equipments in the power island. Another project that we do is the intro to hot bonders, which consist of simple flat layup projects like, we can do with carbon fiber, fiberglass. In some cases, we even deal with Kevlar. Another one of our projects is drilling and assembly, which consists of drilling through composite material. We also drill through steel. We drill these holes and then we mate these two pieces together by using different type of fasteners. The type of jobs available for graduates after they earn their certificate include aerospace, building planes, maritime, which has to do with building boats. We got space, rockets, automobile fabrication, even sports equipment.
The hands-on training, they really help you understand what you're going to be doing when you get into the field. After I graduate, I plan on going into Boeing and working in the composites field. My dad worked there for 36 years. My mom worked there for 25 years, and they told me nothing but great things about it. I want to experience that.
For anyone interested in the Water Center's 12-week aerospace manufacturing program, we welcome them to join us for a weekly tour at our own facility, or you can visit us online at watercenter.admins.edu.